Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. Cardano is, in my opinion, moving in this triangle. While we had, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum move higher, Cardano didn't, but Cardano moved yesterday very strongly, right? And I therefore suggested in the previous video that what we are doing here might become a triangle as long as we're making higher lows and lower highs. So for me at the moment, really no change to the previous video, just maybe a small change down here. I'd like to move the wave 2 over here. And then we have in this 1-2 setup here, we've got a WXY pattern. Yeah, and then we rallied yesterday in this third wave to the upside. And now we are consolidating, in my opinion, in this wave 4 in yellow. So the wave 4 of 3. My view is that this here was a wave A, this here a wave B, this here a wave C. The wave D might just be happening now. Or no, I need to move the, based on the latest high, I have to move the wave B here. That's not possible anymore. Because what must not happen is that the D wave goes above the wave B. So I currently have to assume that the low of the wave A of this triangle was at 39.5 cents. The wave B is currently at 41.2. There should be a wave C, there should be a wave D, and a wave E. Now, if we don't get a triangle, we just get a normal ABC. Doesn't currently look like it, yeah. Even though this could have been the A, this could have been the B, and the C wave is still to come in a wave 4 down. Entirely possible because ADA, as you can see here, still has space to move all the way down to the 38.5 cent level. So ADA, without a problem, could max out this entire orange area without invalidating or anything, without invalidating or making this bullish scenario less likely. Yeah. So at the moment, ADA has quite a bit of flexibility, can move down. Should, for example, Ethereum start its wave 4, which I think it's doing, we just talked about it in the Ethereum video, then ADA could also move down a bit lower, no problem at all. I would still expect, as long as we're holding the 38.5 cent level, to move higher in a wave 5 of 3. I could give you an idea for a target for wave 3. It's a bit difficult because I don't have a confirmed wave 4 low in place. We could. By the way, I have to move this area just slightly based on the latest view of how I see the wave 2. So I move it a little bit higher here. Just a little bit, okay, because the wave 4 should not drop below the 50% level. But the point is, a possible target now for a wave 5 can be calculated by taking the length of the wave 1, adding it to the low of the wave 4. And let's say we come down to 39.4 cents, which is the 38.2% fib level. Then a target for the wave 5 of 3 would be the 1.618 extension at 42.6 cents, just to give you some orientation. Afterwards, I would expect one more wave 4 down and a wave 5 up. And then we could complete wave 1 and we'll then come down in wave 2. And if we do that, I will also accumulate here more in wave 2. Generally, even though we moved up strongly, the Ethereum chart makes, for me, a better impression. Just the entire chart history looks a bit better. And it is also way ahead, way ahead of ADA, for example. Yeah, what else to say? Bear in mind, in November, I think it's around the 19th, I would need to look it up again. I saw it today, we've got the Cardano Summit. Could very well be that this is sort of the next big event, right? Where you see a little bit of, buying the rumors, selling the news, why not? So bear that in mind. And yeah, that's my update currently about ADA. So just one more point. If we now drop below that 50% retracement, it would be less than ideal, right? And it would threaten this current bullish scenario. So ideally, we want to push higher here in wave 5. Currently no sign of a bottom here yet in wave 4. This might take a little bit longer to play out. Also, it just looks like that Ethereum has started its wave 4. I just talked about that in the Ethereum video. And then ADA could come down a bit more before it actually moves up. And I gave you the key support levels for that as well. And the target for the wave 5. Okay, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.